Hello, and welcome to another update video on XRP. We are currently here looking at the 1 hour time frame for XRP, and we have to say, I mean, bigger picture wise, there isn't really any change. So we focused here on the smaller time frame. Also here, I have to say, I mean, we continue to respect the Fibonacci resistance levels that we defined and talked about in previous updates, right? We have here the area between $2.78 and $2.90 as nearest Fibonacci resistance. And the market, a break above it would be an early indication that at least a local low has formed. That would not be surprising given that we have reached, again, this critical support level that was tested a few times before already, right? Here, in August, here in September, and here again in September. We also had a few tests before, and it was also, if I zoom out a little bit, this previous swing high from May. So this is a critical level. We have seen a reaction to the upside, but we are caught in resistance. Okay, but that is the first micro resistance. We nearly broke it already with the first upside reaction, but we haven't managed to break above it. So is it meaningful if we break above $2.90? No, I would call it rather weak resistance. I mean, it's not really a strong resistance zone given how close it is to the strong support level down there around $2.65. Yeah, this area here where the red lines are positioned, and also the 50% retracement of our support area. But I also can't really say that it's obviously not meaningless. So any move above would indicate this recovery rally is a little too high for a fourth wave in the white scenario, where we could get one more low. But it comes down to the structure itself. So if we get a break above resistance and it's only a 3-wave move up, then okay, the market was strong, there was just a stronger bounce, but the sentiment is still not clearly bullish. It's rather just corrective, or let's say rather it goes in a direction of indecision if we only get a corrective bounce. So if we only get 3 waves up from a low, just by breaking resistance, it's not necessarily bullish. It just means we're watching, okay? Getting 5 waves up, that would be a signal. That would be a signal that the bulls make the next attempt of a recovery rally. We haven't seen any 5-wave move up in a long time. This here ended as a 3-wave move, and this ended as a 3-wave move, and this ended as a 3-wave move. Gotta say, this was an attempted 5 up, 3 down, but it couldn't break out. Sometimes the market just can't, especially here on the micro level. Again, it's all still probabilities, not certainties, but a 5-wave move up, as shown here in yellow, would be a good start. How can we define it really is a 5-wave move? Well, I've shown you here already with the labels how a 5-wave move would look like. That's kind of the minimum I need to see to really take this upside recovery attempt seriously. The way to identify the projection targets, well, it is like this. We take the length of the wave 1, we go to the low of the wave 2, and we minimally need to see 5 waves that get to $3.09, $3.10. Why? Because a 5-wave move needs to get in the third wave, to the 138% extension. That's at $3.05. And in the fifth wave, to the 161.8 extension, and that is at $3.10. Until we get there, we have no 5-wave move up. That means we have no solid foundation for a recovery. And please note, even just getting this 5-wave move, while it is a good start, it really is only a first upside reaction in a range, and there is much more work required to confirm a bullish upside breakout. But I'll keep you updated about that. That at least gives you some levels to watch for today and over the coming sessions. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure you check out our membership options, but also check out our X channel for additional updates, charts, news, and much more. You can find the link in the description and also in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.